This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if you could improve your Audi's performance without expensive upgrades, without a workshop, and without spending thousands? And what if the biggest improvements come from small changes that most drivers completely ignore? Because here's the truth. Most Audi owners think performance means engine tuning, expensive parts, and complex modifications. But in reality, a lot of performance is lost before you even start upgrading anything. And that means one thing. You don't need to add power, you need to stop losing it. Let's start with something simple: airflow. Your engine is essentially an air pump. The better it breathes, the better it performs. Now imagine your air filter is partially clogged. Airflow decreases, combustion becomes less efficient. Power drops, and you don't even notice it, because it happens gradually. Replacing or upgrading your air filter is one of the cheapest ways to improve responsiveness. Now let's move to another hidden factor: weight. Most drivers carry unnecessary weight in their car. Old items in the trunk, tools they never use, extra load that doesn't belong there. This might seem insignificant, but it directly affects acceleration, fuel consumption, and overall efficiency. Less weight equals better performance. Simple. Now here's something even more interesting: tires. Not just pressure, but type and condition. Worn or low-quality tires reduce grip and increase resistance. That means slower acceleration and less efficient energy transfer. Reduced control. Switching to better quality tires or maintaining them correctly can instantly improve how your Audi feels. Before we continue, quick reminder: if you want to unlock hidden performance and save money, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real, practical solutions. Now let's go deeper. Fluids. This is where many people underestimate performance gains. High-quality engine oil reduces internal friction. Better lubrication means smoother movement of components, and that translates into better efficiency and responsiveness. The same applies to fuel quality and additives. Cleaner combustion equals better performance. And again, these are small changes, but when combined, they create a noticeable difference. Now here's the key idea. Performance is not just about horsepower, it's about efficiency. And when your Audi operates efficiently, it feels faster, smoother, and more responsive. In the next part, I'll show you exactly which low-cost upgrades actually make a difference, and which ones are just marketing. Because not all cheap upgrades are worth it, but the right ones can completely change how your car feels. Now let's move from theory to real upgrades you can apply immediately, without spending a fortune. Because this is where most people make mistakes. They buy random performance parts expecting miracles and end up wasting money. So let's focus only on what actually works. First upgrade: air intake efficiency. You don't need an expensive intake system. A high-quality performance air filter already improves airflow compared to a standard one. Better airflow means more efficient combustion, faster throttle response, and a slight but noticeable power improvement. And most importantly, consistency, because your engine performs better when it breathes better. Now let's move to another underestimated upgrade: spark plugs. Many drivers keep old spark plugs for too long, but worn spark plugs reduce ignition efficiency. That means slower combustion, less power, and higher fuel consumption. Switching to high-quality spark plugs ensures a cleaner, stronger ignition. It's a small change, but it directly affects performance. Now let's talk about something even more impactful: fuel system condition. Over time, injectors accumulate deposits. That affects how fuel is sprayed inside the engine. And poor fuel atomization means less efficient combustion, reduced performance, and higher emissions. Using a fuel system cleaner occasionally helps restore proper spray patterns. And yes, you can feel the difference. Smoother acceleration, better response. Now here's something most people ignore: throttle response delay. Modern Audi cars often feel slightly delayed when you press the accelerator. Not because the engine is slow, but because the system is designed for comfort and efficiency. This is where a throttle controller can make a noticeable difference. It doesn't add power, but it changes how quickly your car responds, and that alone makes the car feel faster. Now let's talk about friction. Engine oil plays a huge role here. Using high-quality synthetic oil reduces internal resistance. That means smoother engine operation, better efficiency, and more consistent performance. Again, Not a huge power gain, but when combined with everything else, it adds up. Now here's the key point. Each of these upgrades alone is small, but together they create a system that works better. Better airflow, better ignition, better fuel delivery, better response. And this is where the real transformation happens. Your Audi feels lighter, more responsive, and more efficient. Without expensive tuning, without complex modifications, just smart choices. In the next part, I'll show you how to combine all these upgrades into a simple strategy and how to maximize performance gains while spending as little as possible, because the goal is not to spend more, it's to get more from less. Now let's put everything together, because this is where most people either waste money or unlock real performance. The difference is not in what you buy, it's in how you combine it. If you apply only one upgrade, the result is minimal. But when you stack them correctly, the effect becomes real. Let's build a simple strategy. Step 1. Start with airflow. A clean or performance air filter improves engine breathing immediately. This alone can give you a smoother engine response and up to a small efficiency gain. Step 2. Fix ignition. New high-quality spark plugs ensure a stronger and more precise combustion. That means better power delivery and less wasted fuel. Now combine Step 1 and Step 2. You already start to feel a difference. More responsive, more stable. Step 3. Clean the fuel system. Using a proper injector cleaner restores fuel spray efficiency. This improves combustion quality and can recover lost performance. At this point, your engine is already working better, but we're not done. Step 4. Optimize response. Adding a throttle controller changes how your Audi reacts to your input. No delay, immediate response. And this alone creates the perception of a much faster car. Now here's where it becomes interesting. When you combine all 4 steps, you can realistically achieve up to plus 10% better responsiveness, up to plus 5% improvement in efficiency, and a noticeable increase in driving pleasure, and in some cases, even more. But there's one final step that most people ignore: maintenance consistency. Because performance is not something you unlock once, it's something you maintain. Regular oil changes, clean filters, proper fuel quality, these are what keep your gains alive. Ignore them, and everything goes back to zero. Now think about this. You didn't install a turbo. You didn't remap the engine. You didn't spend thousands. And yet, your car feels better, faster, smoother, more efficient. That's the real secret. Not extreme upgrades, smart optimization. Before we finish, remember this. If you want more hidden tricks, real performance tips, and ways to avoid wasting money, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Because once you understand how your Audi really works, you stop guessing and you start improving it the right way.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.